Welcome student. Today you are welcome in part third, number play part third. Okay. This Ganita Prakash class 8. This is third video, and in previous video we were up to page number 119 and this question mark 2. If a number is divisible by 8, then 8 also divides any two numbers separately that add up to the number. This we have done in previous video. Now next is question mark 3. If a number is divisible by 7, then all multiple of that number will be divisible by 7. Okay, if a number is divisible by 7, if a number is divisible by 7, then all multiple of that number, will be divisible by 7. Will be divisible by 7. Now we have to understand this thing, no? J am always divisible by 7. If A is divisible by K, then all multiple of A also divisible by K. See, first understand this thing. If a number divisible by 7, तो a number suppose it may be 14, 17 to the 28, like this number are divisible by 7. Okay, then all multiple of that number will be divisible by 7. Suppose this is number divisible by 7. Multiple of that, these number also will be divisible by 7. Any suppose this multiple of that 42, okay, 63. These numbers should also be divisible by 7. 2 जा 3 जा, नीचे कर दो इसको, 3 divisible by 7. Test, this number will be divisible by 7. 7 6 जा 42, okay, 7 9 जा 63. These are also divisible by 7. So if practically check in multiplication, this statement is true. This is practical checking in multiplication. That means in example we can do like this and we can do. Okay, we can prove it. But if another thing, if it is asked, prove this thing by pictorial form or by algebraic form or by expression, then how to do? See, in very simple way we can do that. Algebra. See, a number is divisible by 7. That means this number is multiple of 7. Suppose like this, 14. No, 14 means 7 into 2, okay. 17 means 7 into 3, okay. Take any 28, okay. 21 Satya 21. 21 is like this. Suppose 28. No, we should go one by one. No, this is 14, this is 28. सत चौकी 28, like this. 42 सात दूनी 14, 7 चौके 28, 7 छाक 42, तो दिया 6, 7 छाक 42, like this 42. तो see, in all these factors 7 is present. That means all these numbers are divisible by 7. Same way we can do this also. 7 छाक 42, 2 into 3, 7 9 63, that means 7 3 3. In all the multiplication, one factor is 7. So this is proved like this. In algebraic form, if you write a number divisible by 7, no, divisible by 7 means 7 m n, like this. This 7 is, first write 7. 7 is m and n. This m may be any number, maybe 2, maybe 3, any number. But this is 7. The number is divisible by 7. If multiple of this, suppose multiple of this number, so into 2. In this case also 7 into m into n into 2, that means 7 is present. Into 3, then also 7 is present. This prove what? 7 mn into 3. That means let it be 14, let it be 28, let it be any number if you multiply by any time. But 7 has to be a factor. That means that number, multiplication of these number will be divisible by 7, like this. Okay? Proved. 7 is factor of the multiple number. 7 is factor of the multiple number. Therefore, number is divisible by 7, like this. In expression form, proved. Okay, suppose pictorial, if you want pictorials, okay, and number is big, so then suppose this is 7, okay, this is 7, okay, 7 multiple of 7 by 2, okay, thrice, and by this multiple of this number, this is double of 7, multiple of this number, so 7 2, okay, by 2, 2 times 7, okay, and multiple of this, maybe 2 times, double 2 times, means 4 times 7, this is 4 times 7, everywhere 7 is there. That means this 7 is present everywhere. If you dot dot dot, you can do this big dot, you have to make. You can prove like this. 7 is present everywhere. Okay, 7 is present everywhere. Like this pictorially also we can prove. Okay. Otherwise, if you do not want to do short, then 7 dot, make 7 dot like this. Again into 2, or make 2 times 7 dot. Again double, that means 4 times 7 dot. Can be proved. Okay. Okay. Next. Three is always true. We can see the statement 3 is always true. This statement is true, always true or not. This is the case, divisible by 7. That means this statement is always true. This statement, okay, always true. 3, this statement is true. Okay. like this we can do. In general, if a number divisible by k, then all the multiple of a are divisible by k. Like this statement can be also asked based on this statement only, and that may be asked to prove it. In page number 120, very first line in general, if A is divisible by K, if A is divisible by K, A is divisible by K, in that case, A is divisible by K, then all multiple of A are divisible by K. Then all multiple of K is divisible by A. See here, if A is divisible by K, then all multiple of K. No. If A is divisible by K, then all multiple of A, not K, all multiple of A is divisible by K. Suppose a larger number is A and this is divisible by K. Suppose this is 7 and this is 14 here. Then all multiple of A means what? Multiple A into 2, no, A into 3, A into 4, all the multiple of A will be divisible by 4, 7, divisible by K. How? See, if it is 14, this will be what? 14 into 2, this is 14 into 3, 14 into 4. See, these all number 14, 7 2 ja, this is also divisible, 7 into 2 into 2, 7 2 ja, 14 by 7, 7 2 ja, so 6 times here 7 2 ja, so 2 into 2, 4, 7 2 ja, 2. These all number are divisible by 7. If you write 7, it will cut. So this statement is true. If like this statement comes to prove it, okay, express in expression, what to do? Let a number be divisible by K, that means let A is divisible by K. Here in place of A, we can write here. A is divisible by K. So that means what? A is equal to K and into some number Km is equal to A. So if A is A into 2, A2, that means Km into 2. A into 3, that means Km into 3. Like this, we can go ahead. So here see in multiple, see this K is available. That means this number is divisible by K. If you write K cut. No, we can prove like this. Okay, if a number, suppose 14, is divisible by 7. Okay, so this is Km is equal to 7, like this. It may be double digit 14 and this may be 28. Okay, so if it is double, this is double means A, this is also double. In this K is factor, K is dividing. Everywhere factor of K means like this, a number is 14 or 28, 7 is present. So like this we can tell in all the term factor k is present, k is available, इसलिए the resultant number is divisible by k. Resultant number is divisible by k. Like this we can prove. Okay. With example like this we can prove. Easy. Okay. Next. If a number is divisible by 12, then the number is also divisible by all the factor of 12. Okay, like this we have to prove. Another question. Let us delete it. If a number is divisible by 12, here if a number is divisible by 12, case is like this, not divisible by 12, then the number is also divisible by all the factor of 12, then number is divisible by all the factor of 12. Number is divisible by all the factor of 12. See, if a number is divisible by 12, suppose here is a number which is divisible by 12. That number may be 12 2 ja 24, no, 36, like this number may be there. If this is divisible by 12, that means what? 24 by 12 is 2 ja, answer is 2. Okay. So that means this 24, here 36 in same case, 33 ja. In this case, factor all the factor of 12, this number will be divisible by all the factor of 12. Factor of 12. What may be the factor of 12? 2, 2 दूनी 4, 3, 3 चौकी 12, 4, 4 तिया 12, 5 से नहीं, फिर 6, 6 दूनी 12. That's all. These are the factor. That means this 24 is divisible by all these factors. इन सबसे divisible है. How? See, if it is 24, write 24 by here in place of 12, number will be what? 2 into 3 into 4 into 6. Check. By 2, 12 2 ja 24, by 3, 8 3 ja, by 4, 7 4 ja, नहीं 6 चौक 6, ठीक है, 6 4 ja and 6 6 चौक 24. This is also by all this number, by any of this number you can cut. That means what? These are the factor of 12. And any of the factor of 12 can divide this number. Same is the statement. Okay? Same case here also. 36 by 12. Okay? In place of 12, 2, 3, 4, 6. No, not like this. Sorry, into I have written. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the factors. 2, 3, 4, 6. One by one you can cut this number by any of the factors. See, same is the statement. That means this is correct. Okay, by example we have expressed this. If you want to express this by expression, question may be asked, prove this by expression. Then multiple of a number of 12. So if late number is 12, okay, late number is 12, means any number, multiple of 12. This may be 12, any multiple, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means 12m. Okay? This is 12, multiple of 12. Another multiple of 12, 12n. Okay? This may be like this. This may be like this. So then, factor of 12 can divide this number. Okay? Because this is multiple of 12. Here it is 12. And factor of 12, you know all these factor of 12. 2, 3, 4, 6. So by 2, by 3, by 4 and by 6 you can cut this 12. Therefore, the multiple of 12 will be divisible by the factor of 12. See, you can cut. Final answer will be left. Like this with expression also we can do this. Okay. In general, A is divisible by K, then A is divisible by all the factor of K. Statement 4 is always true. What is this? By this, what general perception means? General statement came. Okay. If A is divisible by K, if A is divisible by K, A is divisible by K, then A is divisible by, then A is divisible by, A is divisible by all the factors of K, by all the factor of K. Hence statement 4 is always true. And this statement is true. No, this we have seen here. This same statement can come in exam and you may be asked to prove this. If A is divisible by K, suppose A is a number divisible by K here, then this is multiple of K, that means this is Km. No? Then only this number is divisible by K. If M may be 1, 2, 3, whatever is the number. Okay, this is divisible by K, then A is divisible by all the factor of K. Okay, all the factor of K. If K has a factor of, suppose, same, let it be like this 12. Sorry, 2, 3, 4, 6. So then here in place of K, it will be what? In place of K, it may be 2, 3, multiple of any 2, 3 or 6. And then this K will be divisible. Okay, like this proved. No. Because multiple of A will be factor of K and K is divisible by their factor. Okay, multiple of A is divisible by K. K is divisible by all its factor. So that means if K is divisible, total number is divisible. Okay, understood? Here K is divisible in क्या km is a if नहीं k is divisible by कोई भी नंबर अपने फैक्टर से डिविजिबल है k is divisible by its अपने फैक्टर its factors k is divisible by its factor इसलिए km is also divisible by its factors. Okay, like this by expression also we can prove it. Okay, divisible by its factor. Next, fifth. If a number is divisible by 7, then it is also divisible by any multiple of 7. Number is divisible by 7. If a number, another statement. No, this is always correct. No, that we have not written. Okay, always true. This statement. No, prove. Always true. Always true statement. No, a number is divisible by k, then a is divisible by all its factors. If a number is divisible by 7, then it is also divisible by any multiple of 7. If a number, if a number is divisible by 7, if a number is divisible by 7, then all its it is also, if a number is divisible by 7, then it is also divisible by, not all its, then it is also divisible. If a number is divisible by 7, then it is also divisible by all its, divisible by any multiple of 7, is also divisible by any multiple of 7. Understand here what is the things. If a number is divisible by 7, suppose here is a number divisible by 7. Number may be 14, 28, like this. 21 number may be like this. These numbers are divisible by 7. Then it is also, means these numbers are also divisible by any multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. 7 to the 14. Here in this case, this is divisible. 7 3 the 21, not divisible by this. Okay, like this. 7 4 the 28. 28 cannot divide 14. So in some cases true. Here it is true. This is true. But in these two cases false. That means this is sometimes true. No, sometimes true, not always. Here is also same case. See, number is divisible by 7. So multiple of 7, 14, not divisible by 14. Okay, 7 tia. Here it is divisible by 7, but this is not divisible by 7. Okay, sometimes true. Okay, with example we have learned this is sometimes true, not always correct. So for that, if by expression, algebraic expression, if you want to prove this, where is that? If a number is divisible by 7, here last page number 120. With algebraic expression you can prove it. Multiple of 7. If a number is divisible by 7, so number will be 7, and if here multiple of 7, 7 and this may be another 7 and no, or m1, m2, like this we can write. Suppose this is 7 and 1, 7 and 2, here 7 and 3, means what is n1 and 2? 2 ja, this is 2, 7 2 ja 14, this is 3, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja. Like this, value of n1 and 2 may vary. The multiple of 7. So here statement is these numbers will be divisible by multiple of 7. 7 2 ja. Here it is correct. 7 2 ja. Here 7 and 2. 7 into 2 it will cut. Okay, but if 7 3 ja, not cut. 7 7 cut. Here 2, here 3. It will not be divisible. In this case yes, but in this case no. So here like this we can prove. No. 7 2 ja. Multiple of 7 not cut. Same way can prove like this. Okay. So we can prove by expression also. If number is divisible by 7, means multiple of 7 can be divisible by, number is divisible by 7, then multiple of 7 can also divide. Some cases divide, but another cases may not divide. Okay, that means this statement is sometimes true. Like this question may come in your exam. This statement might be there and you have to prove with example, with expression like this. Okay. In pictorial form also they may ask, no, m row. Sometimes time is more. Examine each of the following statement and determine whether it is always true, sometimes true, never true. Following statement means some statements are also there. 6, 7 and 8. But time is more, we have to close it. So many videos we have to make for this. No, how much time? 40 minutes. Should I do some more? If a number is divisible by both 9 and 4, it must be divisible by 36. Let us do this. No, little bit more. Okay, at least one question more I should do. Then we will close video. Number is divisible by both 9 and 4. Very real number. Should write. If a number is divisible by both, if a number is divisible by both, if a number is divisible by both 9 and 4, 9 and 4. It must be divisible by 36. Must be divisible by 36. A number, here a number is divisible by both 9 and 4. That means this is divisible by 9 and divisible by 4. Okay? That means what? LCM and 9 of 4. Okay, 9 चौकी 36. It divisible by 36. This number may be 36. 9 चौक 36 and 4 9 36. 36 and multiple of this. Okay, 4 दूनी 12 2 बाकी चले 3 6 1 7. Like this, 6 18 बाकी चले 3 3 9 1 10 like this. This number. Okay. In this case, number is divisible by 9 and 4. Okay. Then it is divisible by 36 also. Check. Okay. 72. 4. Then it is divisible by 36. This is number is divisible by 9 and 4. This is also divisible by 9 and 4. Divisible by 9 and 4. Check. If it is divisible by 36, in this case S. Here 36, in this case S. No. 2 ja 36, in this case S. 3 ja. Okay. But NM36. Okay. Yes. By algebraic expression, if you do 36, a number in place of 36, 9m. A number is 9n, means divisible by, here, this number is divisible by 9m. Okay, and it is divisible by 4, so this is 4m. That means this number is 9 चौकी 36. 36m. Okay, this is 36m. 9m, 4m, 36m. So this number is 36. Sorry, mn. I should write here 9m. Here 4n. So here 4n. 9 4 are 36 m and n. Okay, so this will be the number divisible by both 9 and 4. Okay, here value of m n may be anything. So here 36 is common. No, that means this number is divisible by 36. Let it be value of m anything 1 2 3 4 5. The statement is okay. Statement is true. No, this is true statement. Same way, if a number is divisible by both 6 and 4, it must be divisible by 24. Check. Another statement. If a number is divisible by 6 and 4, then it must be divisible by 24. It must be divisible by 24. It must be divisible by 24. Check. A number is divisible by 6. Okay, that means this number may be, if it is divisible by 6, may be 6m. Okay, divisible by 4, 4n. That means this number may be 6 चौक 24 mn. Okay, then this is divisible by 6 चौक 24. 24. Yes, it is divisible by 24. 4 mn, always true. See, it may cut like this. If value of mn may be 1, 2, 3, anything, that means true. Always true statement. Okay. This is in algebraic expression. Without algebraic expression also you can write a number is divisible by 6 and 4. That means what? 6 and 4 LCM 2, 3, 2. 3, 6, 3 दूनी 6 दूनी 12. That number is multiple of 12. Okay. So this is, if a number is 12, then this will be divisible by 4. No, like this. Then 6 चौकी 24. If it is 12, then 6 चौकी 24. This is divisible by 4. Not always correct. This is not always true. Some cases it may be wrong. Because 12 is also divisible by 4. Understood? The LCM of 2 and 4 may be mn.